In the admin portal, we can remote lock or unlock any door if the need arises. As we can see in the list of doors here, it shows us the status if it's locked or unlocked. Now for the back door upstairs, we're going to lock it right now. Now if we click on there, it'll send us a prompt on our phone to go ahead and approve the request. Once the request is approved, the door is locked now, and we can go ahead and unlock it as well. The same can be done with computers. As we see here, Bernie's desktop is locked. Let's go ahead and unlock that. Once we confirm the request on our phone, it's now been unlocked. This can be done with any door or computer in the Allthenticate admin portal as well.